Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to the day 5 of this meditation series organized by the Silva Mind Control Method. Deblina here, certified Silva Method instructor, and you today's guide. Today we will do an amazing meditation on mindfulness. Mainly, we will learn how to get a quiet, calm mind. The persistent mental chatters in the mind not only causes tension or stress in our bodies, but it can lead to unnecessary worry, fatigue, anxiety, depression, sometimes feeling overwhelmed, and emotional outbursts. Practicing this type of meditation in even 5 minutes a day can lead to significant improvements in both of our mind, body, in both of our mind and body. Before we begin this exercise, take a candle. Make sure the candle is safe and supported. Light it and place it in front of you. Choose a dark room so that you can concentrate on the flame of the candle. The candle should be in your eyesight level. So let's begin. Find a comfortable sitting position. Take a slow deep breath and gently close your eyes. Now inhale slowly. Take a slow deep breath. Exhale slowly. Take another slow deep breath. Exhale slowly. Take one more slow deep breath. Exhale slowly. Feel your body fall into a deeper state of relaxation. If your muscles are clenching, gently let them become soft and loose. Feel that slowly with each and every breath, your body is becoming light and weightless. Let go completely all the stresses, tensions, everything that you were holding for so long. And trust in the safety of the universe. Now take a gentle, slow, deep breath. Exhale slowly. Now feel that with this deep breath, a gentle sense of relaxation is flowing through your entire body, from head to toe, making you more calm and relaxed with every passing time. This is such an amazing feeling to be deeply relaxed. More you will become so relaxed. The stress, tension, ligament pressures, everything will go away from your body. Now take another slow deep breath. Inhale slowly Exhale slowly. Now gently open your eyes and look into the flame of the candle in front of you. Feel the soft glow of the flame and feel that soft glow is creating a warm feeling inside your body. Imagine that this warm feeling is expanding outwards, covering every part of your body. You are drawn to the center of the candle. It represents your quiet mind. Notice how the flame of the candle gradually grows larger and larger as its soft glow surrounds and protects you. This flame's illumination moves deep within yourself. Now continue to take deep breaths as you focus your attention on the flame. Your intention is to simply create awareness, nothing else. If a distracting thought arises, don't fight with it. Just bring your attention back to the flame and continue to focus on your breathing. Keep on taking slow, deep breaths. Be at ease. There is a calming quietness around you. Feel it. Enjoy the moment with you. Now, while focusing on the flame, repeat to yourself over and over again, I'm quiet. I am calm. I am quiet. I am calm. Now allow the sensation of a quiet mind to remain and grow larger inside you. Now take a deep breath again and gently close your eyes one more time. Now repeat the following statements after me, slowly, gently, in your mind. My mind is becoming quiet and relaxed. I am becoming quiet and relaxed. I can let go of my thoughts when I need to. I am calm and relaxed. My mind is clear and focused. I am at peace with myself. Meditation is becoming easier each time I practice it. Serenity surrounds me. I have a peaceful mind. I allow myself to just be there. I allow my mind to let go of anything. Now take a moment to feel the gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. I'll count from 1 to 5 now. At the count of 5, you are going to open your eyes. You will be wide awake. 1, 2, you are slowly coming out. 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes, be wide awake, feel that you are feeling much better than before. You are now fully awake, feeling refreshed and energized. Hope you have enjoyed today's meditation. If you want to learn more about the Silva Mind Control Method and its powerful tools and techniques, check out our websites. All the links we have mentioned in the description. Thank you. Take care. Bye.